Go.
Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Rev Garage Reviews. Today we are checking out one of the most exciting modern purpose-built adventure touring motorcycle in India right now, a machine built for both city rides and hardcore off-roading. So let's dive in. This is a modern adventure touring motorcycle first launched in early 2016 and now updated with the latest 2023 generation. It runs on a petrol engine and is designed to handle all kinds of terrains. This bike is available in 4 variants: base, pass, summit and mana black. The ex-showroom price ranges approximately from 3.5 lakhs and goes up to 3.37 lakhs. Variant that we are reviewing today is Summit and the color is called Camet White. The motorcycle is assembled in India and is the first bike based on this new liquid cooled platform known as Sherpa 450. Although this platform is also shared with the new Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450. Also, the Himalayan 450 name is inspired by the Himalayas, representing the rugged and unpredictable terrain. The Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 is primarily manufactured in India, particularly in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, which is designed and developed jointly by the Royal Enfield India's and UK's team. The bike is manufactured in India and is exported globally, including the Malaysia, UK, and the USA. In this bike, you get 4 variants and 6 colors: Kaza Brown, Slate Poppy Blue, Slate Himalayan Salt, which is red, and Camet White. Also available in Hanley Black and Mana Black. Let's move on to the features and specifications of Himalayan 450. Himalayan 450 offers circular LED headlamp setup, LED turn indicators, number plate holder, rounded mirrors for a classic look, short windscreen for the rider, upper mudguard and lower mudguard. Coming towards the tire size of Himalayan 450, it gets 90 by 90 21-inch radial tires from the Seat. Himalayan 450 offers 17 liters of fuel tank capacity with 3.4 liters of reserved fuel tank capacity, which is one of the biggest in the segment and best suited for long touring ride setup. Himalayan 450 at the rear end gets 140 by 80 R 17-inch spoke tubeless tires from the Seat, which is radial tires. Himalayan 450 gets 270 mm of disc brake with single piston calipers. From the Vibre, it also gets sintered brake pads. Coming towards the tail light, Himalayan gets integrated tail light setup, which is integrated to the LED braking setup. It gets number plate holder and a small LED light for the number plate holder and a circular reflector. At the rear end, Himalayan also gets a chain sprocket which has 15 tooth at the front and 47 tooth at the rear. Himalayan 450 comes with side stand engine cutoff sensor, split seat setup for both rider and the pillion. It offers a single radiator grille, a single horn setup, and foot pegs for both rider and pillion comfort. At the front, it offers 320 mm of disc brake with dual piston calipers with sintered braking pads from the Vibre. Himalayan 450 comes with 43 mm of Showa suspension with 200 mm of travel. The front suspension cannot be adjustable. The curve weight of Himalayan 450 is around 196 kilograms. Himalayan 450 features a steel twin spark tubular frame where the engine acts as a thrust member, improving structural strength and stability. This was the chassis and the frame of Himalayan 450. It offers 6-speed manual transmission gearbox with liquid cooled setup. It offers dual ABS system, slipper and assist clutch. It misses out on traction control system, which is a big miss from the Royal Enfield. It also comes with lower and upper mudguard, front and back reflectors. It gets a compact exhaust note system with catalytic converter. Himalayan 450 comes with linkaged mono-type suspension with 5-step adjustable and 200 mm of travel. Himalayan 450 gets 7 kg of top box mount setup 4-inch colorful TFT display which is completely digital. Let's move on to the accessories list of Himalayan 450. You get rally protection kit, large engine guard, compact engine guard, radiator grille guard, LED headlight grille, top box mount, adventure touring kit, a rally handlebar pads, LED fog lamps, standard seat height, low seat height, adventure touring seat, rally kit, rally seat height, knuckle guards and plenty more. Now let's see what is under the seat of Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. We have opted for the touring seat as accessories from the Royal Enfield showroom. You can adjust the seat height from 835mm to 845mm. You get a med kit and a toolbox kit under the seat. You also get few batteries and ECU ports down here. Now let's see the LED lights of Himalayan 450. You get circular LED headlamp setup with pass switch, low beam, high beam, LED light, daytime running DRLs, LED turn indicators. At the rear, you get LED turn indicators which is integrated to the LED braking light of the bike. You can also change the direction of the headlight vertically from the Allen key which is given inside the toolbox. You get home button, pass key switch, LED indicators button, horn and toggle button for the TFT display. You get engine kill switch, engine on, hazard light, mode button. On the TFT panel you can see the fuel range, trip 1, trip 2, appearance, golden line, background, auto theme to dark theme, background, brightness of the screen, screen type, analog or digital, back to analog, screen type, appearance, trip preference, my vehicle, system, information, favorites, riding mode, performance, ABS on off, rear ABS on off, ABS eco mode, rear ABS on off. Let's move on to the engine specifications of the bike. It comes with 451.65cc liquid cooled single cylinder Sherpa 450 engine which produces 39.47 bhp at 8000 rpm and 40 Nm of torque at 5500 rpm. The top speed claimed is 165 km. The mileage is claimed around 30 km. It comes with 6-speed manual transmission, 1 down 5 up with assist and slipper clutch technology. It comes with fuel type petrol and ride-by-wire technology. Ergonomic riding triangle for 5.8 feet tall person with 845mm touring seat. Ergonomics riding triangle for a 6.1 feet tall person with 845mm of touring seat. Ergonomic riding triangle for 6.3 feet tall person with a seat height of 845mm touring seat.